start using the Journal app on your iPhone but not sure how it's works. In this video, I will walk you through everything step by step so you can start journaling easily. Step 1. Open the Journal app. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Journal app. If you don't see it, swipe down on the home screen and type Journal in the search bar. Step 2. Create a new entry. Tap the plus button to create a new entry. You can start writing on your thoughts, daily experience, or anything you would like to remember. Step 3. Use Smart Suggestion. The Journal app may show the helpful prompts based on your photos, workouts, music, and location. Tap a suggestion to quickly create a more meaningful and personalized entry. Step 4. Add photos, music, or location. You can make your journal more detailed by adding photos, songs you listen to, or even your location. Just tap the icons inside the entry screen to attach them. Step 5. Edit or delete entries. Tap Edit an entry, open it and tap Edit. If you want to remove it, tap the three buttons and select Delete. Step 6. Protect your journal. For extra privacy, go to Settings. Enable Face ID or password lock to keep your entries secure. Step 7. Set a journaling schedule. In Settings, Journal, you can turn a journaling schedule. This will remind you to write daily or at specific time. Important tips: keep your iPhone updated to enjoying the latest journal features. Your entries stay private and protected by the device security. Use prompts to build a journaling habit. And that's it. Now you know how to use the Journal app on your iPhone easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more simple iPhone tips.